What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I got two great Dollar General breakdowns to share with you for this Saturday using our $5 off of 25 digital coupon. And both of these deals, which I'm going to be sharing with you, use only digital coupons, meaning that anybody can do them. So even if you are brand new to shopping at Dollar General, meaning you've never shopped there, you've never couponed there before, you too can do these deals. And I just want to let you guys know that if at any point during these breakdowns you're noticing that you're missing some of these digital coupons which I'm using, or maybe you've already used them in a prior week and you don't already have a secondary Dollar General account which you can use, I definitely suggest creating one. And if you don't know how to create multiple Dollar General accounts, I have a video on that which you can check out, which I'll have linked up here and down in the description box for you. And now really quick, for anybody who is new to shopping at Dollar General, it is super easy, and all you need to do to get started is to download the Dollar General app and create an account. And once you have your account, you want to just clip any digital coupons to your account which you plan on using, and I'll show you all the digital coupons which you need to use for these breakdowns later in this video. And now once you have all your digital coupons on your account and you're at the register, you want to punch in your phone number into that little keypad at the register which is associated with your Dollar General account, and all your digital coupons will come off automatically. And I also just want to mention that these 5 off of 25 digital coupons are typically only valid for Saturdays, and that our digital coupons are a one-time use only. So as soon as you use that digital coupon, it will be wiped out from your account. You won't be able to see it anymore until that coupon gets reset and sent back into your account.
Make the streams louder.
Alright guys, so the first deal I'm going to show you is our low out-of-pocket deal where you'll be able to pick up all your items for just 95 cents. And then the second breakdown we're going to get into, I'm going to show you guys how you can pick up some essential items like some paper products. Anyways, to start off our first deal, you first want to pick up an always discreet pads, and you want to get one that's between a 24 and a 26 count. This is priced at $3, and check out your Dollar General app because there is a $2 off digital coupon which works for this product. So after our digital coupon, the final price for this item becomes just $1. And keep in mind that this is the final price before our $5 off of 25 coupon is applied. The next item on our list is some Tide Simply Pods. And with this deal, you need to make sure that you're picking up one of the Tide Pods with Oxy in them. These are priced at $2.95. And there's a $2 off of 1 Tide Pods or Tide Liquid digital coupon in our app, which you can use for this product. After this digital coupon, the price for this item becomes just 95 cents. Our next item is going to be some Chic Disposable Razors, and you want to pick up the Chic Classic Coconut 3 count, which is priced at $4, and clip this $3 off of 1 Skintimate or Chic Disposable Razor to your account. After this $3 digital coupon, the price for this item becomes just $1. Now we're going to pick up a big disposable razor, and for this you want to pick up one of the big sensitive razors, and this is a 10 count. This is priced at $2.85, but there's a $2 off of 1 big disposable razor in our account. So after this digital coupon, our price for this item becomes just 85 cents. Now we're going to pick up some Head & Shoulders, and you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size. These are each priced at $2, so 2 of them will cost you $4. And check out our Dollar General app because everybody should have a save 3 on 2 Head & Shoulders. After this digital coupon, the price for both of these items becomes just $1. Now we're going to get an Wick Plug, and the Wick Plug alone costs $1.65, but we have a $1.50 off Wick digital coupon which you can use for this item, making it just 15 cents. Next up we have the Wick Oil Air Freshener, and specifically you want to get one of the Wicks that is Snuggle scented and priced at $3. And then you want to use your $3 off of any one Renews It Snuggle Oil Refill digital coupon, which will make this completely free. Next up, you want to pick up a CoverGirl product, so you can pick up either a CoverGirl face or a CoverGirl eye product. Whichever you pick up, just make sure it is priced at $4 and that this $3 off digital coupon is attaching to it. So a couple examples which you can pick up are the CoverGirl Brow Pencil 2 count if you wanted to use the CoverGirl eye digital coupon. And if you wanted to use your CoverGirl face digital, I would suggest picking up this Cheekers blush, which is priced at $4. So after our digital coupon, that brings the price down for one of these items to just $1. And keep in mind guys, you only want to pick up one of them. And now our last item is actually optional, and that's a game product. So you want to pick up a game product which is priced at $1, and that's going to be the Gain Sheets 15 count or the Gain Fabric Softener, which is the travel size. And we also have a $1 off Gain digital coupon, which is attaching to one of these items, making it completely free. So altogether, these are all the products which you should have, and that's 1 Always Discrete pads, a Tide Simply Pods with Oxy in them, a Chic Classic Coconut Razor, 1 Bic Sensitive Razor 10 count, 2 Head & Shoulder travel sizes, 1 Airwick Warmer plug, 1 Airwick oil plug that's Snuggle scented, a CoverGirl face or eye product, and this last item is optional, which is the Gain dryer sheets or the Gain fabric softener. Your subtotal for all of these items comes to $26.45, but check out all these digital coupons which we have to use for this deal. So just to go over them again, make sure that you have your $2 Always Discrete clipped to your account, your $2 Tide, a $3 Renews It or Snuggle, a $1.50 off Airwick, a $3 off of Chic Disposable, a $2 off of Bic Disposable, a $3 off of CoverGirl face or eye, a $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders, a $1 off of Gain, and of course you cannot forget our $5 off of 25. So altogether, this is a total of $25.50 of coupons. So if you were to take that out of our subtotal of $26.45, that makes your final cost after coupons just 95 cents for 10 items, or just 9 cents each. So that's 9 cents for Tide Pods, 9 cents for razors, 9 cents for makeup, 9 cents for feminine products. Guys, this is an amazing deal. If you need any of these items and you know you're gonna be out at the store, definitely consider this as your breakdown. And now we're gonna move on to our second breakdown, which is gonna have some essential items in there, like some paper products. And to start off, we're gonna pick up some Bounty paper towels. So you wanna get the Bounty Essentials 6 count, which is priced at $5.50. And make sure you have your $1 off of any Bounty paper towel digital coupon clipped to your account. After this digital coupon, the price for this product becomes just $4.50. Our next item is gonna be some Charmin toilet paper, and you wanna get the Charmin toilet paper 12 roll. This is priced at $6, and there's a $1 off of Charmin toilet paper digital coupon, which will make the price for this just $5. Now our next couple items are gonna be All or Snuggle products. So select All and Snuggle products are on sale 2 for $8, and we have a digital coupon for $4 off. So go ahead and pick up 2 All or Snuggle products for $8 and use this digital coupon, and you'll be able to get these items for just $4. Our next item is going to be the Chic Disposable Razor, and you want to get the Chic Classic Coconut 3 count. This is priced at $4, and after this $3 off Chic Disposable digital coupon, the price for this becomes just $1. And our last item for this deal is going to be the Airwick Oil Air Freshener. And for this product, you want to make sure that you are getting a Snuggle scent, which is priced at $3, and then use our $3 off of 1 Renews It Snuggle Oil Refill digital coupon, making this free. So altogether, here are all the items which you should have for this deal. And that's one of the Bounty Essential Paper Towel 6 count, a Charmin Toilet Paper 12 roll, 2 Snuggle or All products, 1 Chic Classic Coconut Razor, and an Airwick oil plug, which is Snuggle scented. The subtotal for all of these items comes to $25.50, but we have all these digital coupons which we can use for this deal, and that's our $1 off of any Bounty paper towel, a $1 off of Charmin toilet paper, a $4 off of Snuggle or All products, a $3 off of Chic Disposable Razor, and our $3 off of Renews It Snuggle Oil Refill. And lastly, we cannot forget our good old 5 off of 25 coupon. So this is a total of $17 in coupons. So if you took this out of our subtotal of $25.50, that makes your final cost for all 6 of these items just $8.50 or $1.42 each, which is an amazing price for paper towels, toilet paper, Snuggle, and All products. All of these items are so worth $1.42. So if you guys need any of these items, definitely do this deal. And if you guys have any other great breakdowns or deals that you know of going on at Dollar General right now, definitely share them with us in the comment section down below. And as a reminder to anybody who is planning on doing a Dollar General breakdown this Saturday, that Dollar General has been dedicating its first hour every single day to just senior citizens during this whole Corona pandemic. So if you do planning on doing a deal, just be mindful of that and just show up an hour later from when your store opens. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I truly appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, show me by giving me a big thumbs up down below. And if you're not already, consider subscribing to my channel and ring that bell so you never miss out on any of my future uploads. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time.